back to my channel. I'm Miss Alex Jean, and in today's video I am installing a U-part wig unit that I made. As you can see, I have 4 braids in my hair, 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. I have left my hairline out around the sides and right at the top. I like to wear U-part wigs, one, because it works with my lifestyle and it is the healthiest option for my hair. I have fine hair and I wear hair colors, so I have to be extra nice to my hair in order for it to be at its best. So U-parts and clip-ins allow me to do that with my hair and, you know, really work on being the healthiest it can be. So what I like to do is just put edge control on my hairline. I don't like to put any heat. The edge control I use, it lays it down perfectly fine with no heat. And I also like to use 2 clips at the top to close up that area that I have out at the top. And this helps reduce the heat that I put on my hair throughout the week. So once I flat iron my hair, I don't flat iron it anymore for the rest of the week. And I only wear my hair straight for 1 week. And then the rest of the time it is either in braids or some type of protective style where I use no heat. Drop in the comments and let me know if this is something that you would like to try or you do this already. I would love to hear your comments on if you wear this style. Again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have the best day and stay beautiful.